Now the second one is Martempering. Okay, so Martempering is a process in which the quenching the steel to just above the martensite start temperatures. Okay, and hold and then cool to the room temperature. So here, what we are different from the above, this one is from the Austen tempering. Here we are just, I mean, in the both the cases, you can see temperature above the martensite start temperature. So above the martensite start temperature. Here, when the temperature raise is both having the same things, right? Above the martensite temperature, right? But the process that is that is used in Austen tempering is different. That is the same way as we do in quenching, right? But here we are not using that way. They are cooling into the room temperature. So we are just allowing them to cool down in a room temperature, in ambient temperature or normal environment, right? So this is basically different. So that raising the temperature is the same as Austen tempering, but uh, letting them cool down is a different way. Okay. What are the benefits? Reduce the residual stresses and cracking. So if there is some kind of residual stresses are inside the material, that will be reduced, that will be released basically. And if some cracking is there, that also will be filled up. Okay. What are the application parts? So if we talk about the application, the tools and components requiring the high hardness with a minimum distortion. So the application where we are having the high hardness, but the same along with that, we are not we cannot tolerate the distortion. So this distortion must be minimum. In that application, we go with this particular heat treatment.